Picture this. You're standing in your tiny kitchen, staring at a sad piece of leftover pizza, wondering if your ancient toaster oven will actually heat it without setting off the smoke alarm. Sound familiar? Well, what if I told you there's a whole new world of smart air fryer ovens that can fit in small spaces but cook like they belong in a 5-star restaurant? Welcome to the channel. I'm Jesse, and today we're breaking down the top 5 picks you need to know before you buy. Let's get into it. Small kitchens don't have to mean big compromises. These aren't your grandmother's toaster ovens we're talking about. We're diving into machines that can air fry, bake, roast, and even dehydrate, all while taking up less space than you'd think. Here's the thing that drives me crazy. You walk into any appliance store, and they'll try to sell you either a tiny toaster that can barely handle 2 pieces of bread or a massive countertop monster that'll eat up half your kitchen. Where's the sweet spot? Most people think they have to choose between size and performance. That's just not true anymore. The real challenge is cutting through all the marketing hype to find what actually works in real kitchens, with real food for real people. Let me start with the heavyweight champion, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. Now, I know what you're thinking. Jesse, this thing looks huge. And you're not wrong. This beast packs 13 different cooking functions into one machine. We're talking toast, bake, air fry, slow cook, and even dehydrate. The secret sauce? Something called Element IQ technology. Basically, it's got 6 independent heating elements that actually think about where to send the heat. The coolest part? Super convection that cuts cooking time by 30%. I tested this with chicken wings, and they came out crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, in about half the time of my regular oven. Here's the honest truth. This thing is not small. At 22 inches wide, it's more like a mini oven than a space saver. The preheating can be slow, and some customers say the toasting isn't perfectly, even when you max out the capacity. But here's what impressed me. The temperature stays rock solid. No hot spots, no guessing games. Who should buy this? This is for the serious home cook who wants professional results and has at least some counter space to spare. If you're feeding a family or love to entertain, this could replace your main oven for most tasks. Rating: 4.5 out of 5 stars. The only thing keeping it from being perfect is that size factor. But for performance, this thing is incredible. Now here's where things get interesting. Ninja took a completely different approach with their double oven design. The game changer is a picture having 2 ovens stacked on top of each other, but in one compact unit. The top handles quick stuff like toast and reheating. The bottom is your powerhouse for air frying and roasting. But here's the genius part. Smart finish technology means you can cook 2 different things at different temperatures, and they'll both finish at exactly the same time. I tested this by making garlic bread on top while air frying chicken down below. Set different times, different temps, hit one button, and boom, dinner was ready all at once. What you need to know: the included smart thermometer is a game changer. Stick it in your meat, set your target temperature, and walk away. No more guessing, no more dry chicken. The flex door design means you can open both sections or just the top. It sounds simple, but in practice, it saves energy and keeps your food from cooling down. Some people find the dual setup confusing at first, and cleaning can be trickier than a single compartment. Also, you're basically getting 2 smaller ovens instead of one large space. Who should buy this? Perfect for busy families who need to multitask. If you're constantly juggling different dishes with different cooking times, this could be your new best friend. Rating: 4 out of 5 stars. It's innovative and practical, but the learning curve keeps it from being perfect for everyone. But that's not the whole story with Ninja. Their Prestige Smart XL takes a different approach entirely. Size meets speed. This one's all about family-sized capacity with lightning speed. We're talking 90-second preheating. I timed it, and it's legit. The Smart Surround Convection means air hits your food from every angle, so you don't need to flip or rotate anything. The capacity is impressive. It fits a 12-pound turkey or 20 cookies at once. For a compact unit, it's surprisingly roomy inside. Smart features that actually work. The digital display is built right into the door handle, which sounds gimmicky, but actually makes sense. When you grab the handle, you can see all your settings without bending over to look at a panel. The air frying performance is fantastic. French fries come out crispy without that weird soggy inside thing you get with some air fryers. Just a quick note, if you're interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now. Make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers. Here's what they don't tell you. This thing is heavy. At 33 pounds, you're not moving it around casually. Some users complain about noise during operation, and the size might still be too big for truly tiny kitchens. Who should buy this? Great for families who want the convenience of fast cooking without sacrificing capacity. If you've got growing kids who are always hungry, this could save your sanity. Rating: 4.5 out of 5 stars. The speed and capacity combination is hard to beat, but the weight and noise keep it from perfection. And what happened next might surprise you. Sometimes smaller really is better. Compact perfection. The Breville Mini is what happens when you take all that smart technology and squeeze it into a truly compact package. At just over 16 inches wide, this actually fits in small spaces. Don't let the size fool you. It still has Element IQ technology with 4 quartz heating elements. The temperature control is incredibly precise, which makes it fantastic for baking. The sweet spot features: 8 cooking functions cover all the basics, and the "a bit more" button is genius for when your toast isn't quite perfect. The LCD display changes colors: orange during cooking, blue when done. It's simple but effective. And here's the thing: it doesn't have air fry or convection. You're getting excellent traditional toaster oven performance, but not the trendy features. For some people, that's actually a plus. The timer alarm is pretty loud, which can be startling. And obviously, capacity is limited. We're talking 4 slices of toast or an 11-inch pizza max. Who should buy this? Perfect for singles, couples, or anyone who values counter space over cooking for crowds. If you want Breville quality without the massive footprint, this is your answer. Rating: 4 out of 5 stars. It's excellent at what it does, but the lack of modern features like air frying might disappoint some buyers. Here's where things get interesting. NewWave might not be the first name you think of, but they've created something special: the Customization King. This is the only unit that lets you control the top and bottom heating elements independently from 0 to 100%. Want a crispy pizza crust but gentle cheese melting? Set bottom heat to 70%, top to 30%. It's like having cooking superpowers. The temperature range goes up to 500 degrees, and the digital probe means perfect results every time. Plus, 100 preset recipes are already programmed in, with space for 30 of your own. At around $240, it's significantly cheaper than comparable Breville or Ninja models, but you're still getting professional-level features. The 30-quart capacity handles big meals, and customers rave about the even cooking. Some long-term users report durability issues after heavy use. The brand isn't as well known, so you're taking a bit of a risk on customer service and parts availability. The interface can be overwhelming with all those presets and controls. It's powerful, but not necessarily intuitive for everyone. Who should buy this? Great for budget-conscious cooks who want premium features. If you like to tinker with settings and customize your cooking, this offers more control than anything else in this price range. Rating: 4 out of 5 stars. Amazing value and features, but question marks around long-term reliability keep it from the top spot. So here's my take after testing all 5. If money's no object and you have the space, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is the gold standard. It's just incredibly well built and versatile. For families who multitask, that Ninja Double Oven design is genuinely innovative. The Smart Finish feature alone could change how you cook. If you want the best balance of size, speed, and capacity, the Ninja Prestige XL hits that sweet spot perfectly. For truly small spaces where every inch counts, the Breville Mini delivers premium performance in a compact package. And if you're budget conscious but want advanced features, the NewWave offers incredible value, just with some unknowns on durability. But the bottom line? There's no one-size-fits-all answer anymore. Think about your space, your cooking style, and your budget. Any of these will blow away whatever sad little toaster oven you're using now. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more top picks. Your shortcut to the best. Until next time, keep it top tier.